I'm going to show you some ways that I do to clean up my computer so that it can run a lot faster and get things off of it that doesn't need to be. So the first thing is to uninstall unused programs. So you just go to your start button on the left side of your screen, you click on the settings, and then you go to apps or apps and features. And then once you see that, you click on that. And then it's going to show you all the apps that's on your computer. So there may be some things that you don't use anymore, and it could be clogging up a lot of space and slowing down your computer. So just go through it and take things off. I wouldn't bother anything that says Microsoft Corporation unless it's something that you know you don't need them more. Like I had like pictures that I decided to uninstall because I wasn't going to use that anymore. But if you don't know what it is, then just leave it alone or try to search it. But just clear out some things that you're used to. You know what it is and you're using. But stuff that you're no longer using, you might as well just take it off. The next thing that you can do is update your operating system. And that's pretty easy. Most computers will do it automatically, but if yours do not, then you will do the same thing. You would go to your settings, and then you will click where I'm showing you here, and then you go up and you'll see Windows Update. So you can check for updates. It'll tell you whether or not you need anything updated. And if so, just click it. It helps to protect you from, new viruses and new things that come out, new glitches or ways that people can get into your system. So it's good to follow what it says and do the update. Some computers do the update automatically. Usually when it shows up on my computer, I just click it and let it do the update. I still have Windows 10 and haven't did the new one yet. So that's another way to make your computer be more up to date and work properly. And I'm just showing my update briefly. Another thing that you can do is update your files. Make sure you organize it, take away things that you no longer need. If you have like downloads that you're not using no more, because a lot of times you download a lot of stuff, it will slow your computer down. I would remove it. You can also buy a scan disk, and if you want to save it, just put it on there. I'll try to do a video on that later. But if you don't take away everything that you're not using and you just organize your files, it will work a lot better. So the last thing I want to show you is how to defrag your files. You go to your settings, you go to your start menu, and you search for defragment and optimize files, or you can just put it in the search bar and then it will come up. Usually it's at the top, like here. You click on that. Then you go over and click optimize, and then you let it do its course. If there's defragment that needs to be done, you will see it in the analyze, but if not, then you don't have to worry about it. Defragmentation is the process of organizing the files on a computer's hard drive so that they are stored in contiguous blocks. which can improve the speed at which the computer accesses those files. When a file is saved on a hard drive, it may split into multiple fragments and store in different locations on the drive. So over time, these files are added, deleted, or modified. The drive can become fragmented, which can slow down the computer's performance. And that's why you want to defrag, because you want to kind of like a messy room. You want to organize and put it in order so it take away the clutter so that it can move freely. So those are my tips.